Do you think Burkina Faso is safe for tourism?
Yes, for
Out-
tourists.
Outside of Ouagadougou?
Yeah, it's safe, no problem.
Even in the north?
No, we no go north.
Not north.
No north.
Even you don't go north? Or you would
No.
go?
No, I no go north.
Okay. But inside Ouaga, it's fine.
We find no problem. Any place we go inside Ouaga, no problem.
Okay, nice.
Problem yes is north.
How is Burkina Faso going to fix the problem?
Why they have military
Okay,
all the place? if you are travel, you see plenty military.
really?
They do patrol.
Checkpoint.
Checkpoint just 50 kilometers you won't meet military.
Okay,
And there's some place checkpoint. Open the car, checking all the things in the car. You put camera
really?
everywhere and listing.
Listening?
Yes.
Ah, wow,
But
that's
now
good.
Ouagadougou, no problem.
Okay,
You can go anywhere you want,
nice.
no problem.
Because of Ibrahim Traore?
Wait, because of Ibrahim Traore.
Oh, nice.